Intel is gaining momentum across markets and social channels after a wave of analyst upgrades reframed the company's outlook around improving manufacturing execution and a clearer, more competitive processor roadmap. The shift in tone is notable. After years of skepticism, analysts are increasingly pointing to evidence of real demand strength and tight supply as reasons Intel's fundamentals may be inflecting. One of the strongest bullish signals cited by the community comes from KeyBanc analyst John Vinh, who noted that Intel is nearly sold out of server processors through 2026. That level of forward visibility is rare for Intel in recent years and suggests hyperscalers and enterprise customers are committing earlier and in greater volume. As a result, analysts see room for a 10 to 15% increase in average selling prices, a dynamic that could materially improve margins and strengthen Intel's competitive positioning versus AMD, particularly in the data center. Sentiment has also been boosted by reports tied to a U.S. Shield defense contract, reinforcing Intel's role as a strategically important domestic supplier. Community members are framing this not just as incremental revenue, but as validation of Intel's trusted manufacturing advantage at a time when governments are prioritizing secure, onshore semiconductor supply chains. This angle has fueled the narrative of Intel as an undervalued national champion relative to peers with heavier overseas exposure. On the product side, Panther Lake processors, built on Intel's 18A process, continue to receive positive feedback from PC manufacturers. OEM enthusiasm is being interpreted as a strong signal that Intel's advanced manufacturing is finally delivering competitive performance, power efficiency, and yields at scale. Bulls argue this helps de risk Intel's broader roadmap and supports the company's ambitions across PCs, servers, and foundry services. All of this sets the stage for a potentially pivotal moment with Intel's Q4 2025 earnings report, scheduled for January 22nd, 2026, after market close. Options markets are pricing in an 8.82% post earnings move, nearly double Intel's historical average, highlighting expectations for a decisive catalyst. Traders are split on direction, but the elevated implied volatility underscores how consequential this report could be for the stock's next leg. Overall, the conversation around Intel has shifted from survival to execution and upside. With server demand effectively booked years out, improving pricing power, government backed contracts, and growing confidence in its 18A based products, many investors see Intel entering earnings with a rare combination of fundamental support and sentiment tailwinds, even as skeptics caution that the company still needs to consistently deliver to justify a sustained re rating.
Okay, so Intel is up 3.17%. This is Wednesday, the 21st of January 2026. Yesterday gained 3.41%. On its daily chart, underlying trend is strongly bullish. Higher prices are expected to keep printing at least up till the Monday the 26th. I think that's the date it is expected to deliver its earnings outcomes. After that, we might have it might begin to roll over. There might be a brief contraction towards the 3rd of February. Then after that, the uptrend may resume. But I think all in all, it's just saying that between now and the and early March, it's more of a consolidation that is expected with a slight upward slant. Yeah. So all in all, that's what is expected consolidation. Momentum is also expected to continue to wane and may just begin to pick up from early February. Okay, but not to retest the levels we have seen as of just a couple of days ago, as of the 14th of February, as of the 14th of this month, when it printed this, when it printed, let's see, 40, its intraday high, is it 48.4, $48 or thereabout. But in any case, projections are currently saying 46.08, 50.33, 52.96. Let's see whether it printed an intraday high of late. 50.39 was printed on the, I think maybe the 14th. Let's see. It was on the 15th, $50.39. That's the intraday high. Yeah, let's see now. Okay, momentum, and then the 40-day moving average is also expected to continue to rise to prevent any pullback, or to constrain it. So, yeah, we could just quickly glance at the 4-hour chart. Okay, more of the same thing as well. Consolidation is what is expected, at least going all the way towards the end of this month. Okay, but in the interim, within all of that, is expected there's a chance that it might even print another intraday high, maybe by this weekend. Projections here saying nothing to the upside, nothing really to the upside. Momentum is also expected to continue to decay. Yeah, let's see now what the market grid is going to give us in terms of possible prices. Okay, we have, let's see, the range is between 51.14 and 46.98, and it's currently at 50.04. I think trying to print another intraday high. Yeah, attempting to print another intraday high. The last one was 50.39. So it's currently at 50.05. So there's a chance it might go ahead and even test 51.14. You know. So we have, let's just see what we have here, where the supports are and where the resistances are. Let's see. Let's see, 48 points. Yeah, the 10 and the 21 period moving averages supports. Yeah, we have. Yeah, that's we have. There's a strong support at it's $48 between 48.02 and 48.5. 48.57. Even if we can even include $49, it has a robust support around there. It has a robust support around there. Yeah, you can even say from yeah, it has a robust support down around there. Even going all the way down to $45. You can see we have an alignment there. We have a convergence there. The extrapolation of its this is its 40 period move now. Yeah, we have it has a robust support around there, around those between from $48 down to $45. It has a robust support around there. On the daily chart, let's see what we have on the market grid. Let's see what's indicating. Okay, we have between 49.51, so it has already exceeded this now. So this is no, it has since exceeded that. So that's what's going on right now. Just see what you make of Intel stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.